Trump announced a 5-day postponement of planned U.S. military strikes on Iranian power plants and energy infrastructure to allow talks to progress. This marks the first public indication of possible de-escalation since the war entered its fourth week. Meanwhile, Iranian state media claim the U.S. backed down fearing retaliation. The Corporate Laws Amendment Bill 2026 has been referred to the Joint Parliamentary Committee for further scrutiny. After introducing the bill in the Lok Sabha today, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman proposed to send the bill to the JPC for detailed analysis. Prime Minister Narendra Modi outlined key aspects of the ongoing West Asia conflict and explained India's position on the issue in the Lok Sabha. Prime Minister said the conflict is an evolving situation and the entire world is affected in some form. He said in such a situation, all efforts must be made to safeguard the citizens from the impact of this conflict. Prime Minister Narendra Modi shared an article authored by Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan highlighting India's evolving innovation story in the emerging AI-driven technological era. Sharing the article, the Prime Minister noted that Pradhan emphasizes that India's approach to AI is aligned with national priorities. 2 more Indian LPG ships moved through Strait of Hormuz amid tensions. India has received a major relief as 2 LPG tankers, Jagvasan and Pine Gas, are safely passing through the Strait of Hormuz. Amid the ongoing conflict between Iran and the US-Israel alliance, this clearance is being seen as a significant diplomatic success for New Delhi. The much-awaited Ratna Bhandar counting process at the Jagannath Temple in Puri is set to begin on March 25, following a final meeting chaired by Odisha Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan. The minister ensured that every step will strictly adhere to the SOP prepared by government. According to Law Minister, the entire process will be conducted with utmost transparency and devotion, beginning with a ritual submission of the work to Lord Jagannath. The domestic equity market started the week on a weak note. The Nifty 50 index opened at 22,824.35, declining by 290.15 points or 1.26%, while the BSE Sensex opened at 73,732.58, down by 800.38 points or 1.07%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid heartfelt tributes to freedom fighters Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru and Sukhdev Thapar on the occasion of their Martyrdom Day. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar and Shivram Rajguru were iconic Indian revolutionary freedom fighters who were hanged by British authorities on March 23, 1931 in Lahore jail. LeBron James broke the NBA record for most regular season games played on Saturday, taking the court for his 16th when the Los Angeles Lakers tipped off against the Orlando Magic. He passed the marks of 16-11 that Robert Parrish has held since he retired in 1997.